Let's see how to turn on the new feature Apple Intelligence after iOS 26 update on your iPhone 17. So let's see, you just open the settings app and scroll down a while. Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now you can see this new option, turn on Apple Intelligence. It happened after I update my iPhone 17 to iOS 26.5 version. Time to experience the next generation of intelligence now integrated into the core of iOS, bringing you a powerful and personalized intelligence. Let's turn on that. Turn on Apple Intelligence. These are the key features, I think: live translation, visual intelligence, writing tools, and okay, continue. Not now. Okay. Okay, I know this function before. We can slide a little bit. I mean, smoothly, it will zoom and zoom out like that. So it says the same. And if we turn on this, if we press the camera button a single time, it will open up the camera app. If we again press, it will capture the photo. So I just turn on this and continue. And Siri, continue. Let's set up this thing. Continue. And that's it. It's turned on. Yeah, it's downloading something. Just wait until it complete. Yeah, now it's completely download the file. Actually, what it's download is ChatGPT extension. So if you open that, here you can see iPhone can use ChatGPT to help you write text, create an image, and answer questions and more. So it downloads the ChatGPT extension in the background. So setup and yeah, integrate with Siri, more visual intelligence. Next, enable ChatGPT. That's it. If you want to sign in, you can sign in. For now, I don't want that. That's it. Let's check it out. Hey Siri. The interface was changed. Before it was
Here's some
like
info about interface.
And there is a new app here, Playground. So I think it's new. I haven't seen this app. Yeah, that's it. This is it. You just find out the new features and comment below. If you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, you need to watch this playlist.